Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Buju joins star-studded lineup for BT Experience 2025. The reggae legend is among the first wave of artists announced as performers for BET's Experience concert series. Buju Banton will jumpstart the festivities with a headlining performance at the Hollywood Palladium. Slated for this June, the BET Experience will also feature performances from hip-hop heavyweights Lil Kim and The Roots, plus Jagged Edge, Redman, and a host of others. The big reveal made via BET's social media comes hot on the heels of another major announcement, DJ Khaled teasing what he calls a historic collaboration featuring Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel and Mavado for his upcoming album Alam of God, World of God. This marks the first time in almost 20 years Vybz Kartel and Mavado have teamed up on the same track since their long-running feud. The two collaborated in 2006 on Happiest Days. In a recent Instagram post, Khaled described the track as a gift to the world, while hinting there is still one more surprise artist to be unveiled. Now, Kuya to celebrate the third-year anniversary on 420 in style. Building on the momentum of last year's Kuya and Kaya 420 anniversary bash, the lifestyle brand is ready to turn up the heat in what is expected to be a show-stopping fashion extravaganza.
Our runway is on the beach in the water. So when the models are walking, it will appear as if they're walking on water. The lighting will be spectacular.
The 2024 edition celebrated Kuya's bold retail relaunch and drew a star-studded crowd including Tyson Beckford, Asafa Powell, and Queen of Dancehall Patra, alongside cultural tastemakers, influencers, and fashion elite. Speaking with E Prime, co-founder of Camtech, Gary Codner, shared that this year the festivities will be held against the stunning backdrop of G-Jam Beach in Portland with special guests.
We have some big names, including Tony and Singh, and we have designers who we have invited to be part of this. Earl Biggie Turner, full-on fashion show, full-on party, all elements in and of itself would stand out. But because we're queer, we put them all together. The music, the food.
He also commented on the current state of Jamaica's fashion industry.
We're creative, very creative, but the infrastructure is not there. To compete, we need more support. We're looking for that support. Another point is that we have the best cotton in the world. Yes, Jamaica Sea Island cotton is the most expensive cotton and the best, yet we have no access to it.
He also urged local designers to adopt to trends as artists move away from tailored designs, which is synonymous with dancehall. That is it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E Prime is brought